and then pull up on the left where it's convenient and safe.
Yep.
Please.
Oh, there's not many places. You've got a junction there, you've got all these parked cars, 2 magpies, good luck. And up on the left, it's going to be down here a little bit, away from the junction and no blocking driveways. I go a little bit more further because there's an entrance there. On the left, you said?
Yes, please. Tricky one, that, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Well done. Okay, we're going to do independent driving now.
Yeah.
I'll direct you out the area, and then we're going to follow signs for stations.
Okay.
Is that clear?
Yeah, that's fine.
If you forget, I'll remind you if you ask me. And along the way, I'm going to update it to something else.
Right, okay.
So it's going to be station start with, but for the time being, I'll direct you.
Okay.
Is that clear?
Yeah.
Off you go when you're ready. I say to do so.
Ain't you got a sat nav?
No.
No? Ah, old fashioned way.
Signs.
Yeah, old fashioned way.
Yeah.
Right.
You might get a sat nav, you might get signs. Depends on the examiner.
Okay.
And the routes.
Okay.
So if they come out the test centre with a nice black bag in their hand,
yeah,
it's going to be a sat nav test.
Right, okay.
If they haven't got a black bag in their hand, it's going to be a road sign test.
Right, okay.
At the end of the road, turn left, please.
Yep. Make sure no cyclists at the side of me before I pull out. Because I'm a cyclist myself, so
yeah.
I know what I do and what others do. So, yeah, best to be more safe than sorry.
At the roundabout, follow the road ahead. Taking the second exit, please.
Yep.
It'll be interesting how it sounds on your speakers, this video.
Yeah.
Compared to the others.
Yeah. Why have I got that in particular voice or something then?
No, I mean, because we're using different mics today.
Oh, okay, I'm with you.
Whether it's better.
Yeah.
So at this point, look for signs for stations and follow that.
Stations.
Yeah. That's okay with you?
Yeah. Stations.
If you had the choice, what would you prefer? Signs or sat nav?
See, my reading's not brilliant because I'm dyslexic.
Yeah.
And as I've told, the main practical test, so they can help you out more better.
Yeah. Now the sign's hidden behind the trees coming up. Okay?
Right, okay. Straight on.
That's it.
I haven't. The only time I follow street signs is if my sat nav lose signal.
Yeah.
But other from that,
I knew it'd be a challenge for you.
Yeah. You know what?
What?
I've been doing something on TikTok. There's a bloke on there what does like sort of takes away the bad vibes and
Yeah.
not make you panic and everything else with his special crystals.
Yeah.
And every time I go to look at like driving stuff on TikTok and YouTube, basically they always pop up and I watch them and I'm not nervous at all, and I knew I was going to be nervous.
How do you feel today?
I feel calm as anything. I'm trying not to swear.
But you get bleeped out.
Yes.
At this point, follow the road ahead. I'm going to direct you for the next minute.
Okay.
All right.
I watched one last night where there was, I don't know if I'm allowed to say names or not, but you know who I'm on about. You have a driving instructor.
You can say their names.
Oh, right.
As long as you don't flag them off, I don't mind.
No, it's not that. They had some woman brought some sweets in for him and her. So every time she did something right, she got a sweet, and he did. And if she'd done something wrong, he got a sweet.
All right, that's a bit cruel, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
At this point onwards, we're going to follow signs for A5.
Yep.
Okay.
And I remember you saying in one of your videos, tyres and tarmac.
Yes. Yeah, so that, two reasons. So that if they roll backwards, you can use your horn, tell them that you're rolling.
Yeah.
And if they stall or break down, you've got space to go round. And the other one, carbon monoxide. If you're too close, you're going to get sucked up with the fans.
Yeah.
So all the kids in the back are going to be choking away.
Yeah.
Plus, by keeping a space like that, the examiner's happy because he's not going to worry that you're going to drive into it.
Yeah.
So London or Aylesbury. I know it's a challenge for you, isn't it, this bit? You're doing well.
Thank you. It's weird for me to say this car's alright because if I don't like little noddy cars, but I actually find this one alright. Roomy. I think that's what it is.
It's called a Super Mini. So it's bigger inside than it looks.
I am in fifth already, aren't I?
You are? No more gears.
When I drive my mate's car, I'm always trying to put it in reverse because that's where my sixth gear is on mine.
For your final sign, follow signs for Buckingham. No? Buckingham.
You know him?
I think so. There's a few of them cars, so I'm not sure which one it was. But the waving speeds are way back. So, Buckingham. At the roundabout, we're going to go left.